What is indicators of globality? Indicators of globality refer to measurable factors that demonstrate the extent to which a country, region, or city is integrated into the global economy and society, including aspects like international trade volume, foreign direct investment, the presence of multinational corporation, global communication networks, and the flow of ideas and culture across borders. So bali ito po ay natukoy sa mga masukat na pagsaliksik na nagpapakita po ng lawak kung sa ang isang bansa, rehiyon o lungsod ay inasama po sa pandaigdigang ekonomiya at lipunan. Kabilang na rin po dito ang mga aspeto tulad ng dami ng kalakalan sa international, direktang pamumuno ng mga dayuhan, ang pagkakaroon po ng mga multinational na corporation ay ang mga pandaigdigang network ng communication at daloy ng mga ideya at kultura. Attributes of global city: economic power, economic opportunities, economic competitiveness, and center of authority, political influence, center of higher learning and culture. Economic power. Economic power refers to ability of countries, business, or individuals to make decisions on their own that benefits them. Scholars of international relations also refer to the economic power of a country as a factor influencing its power in international relations. Dito naman po ay tumutukoy sa kakayahan ng mga bansa, negosyo, individual na gumawa ng mga decision sa makikinabang sa kanila. Tinutukoy din po dito ay ang scholar na una yung pandaigdig ng isang bansa bilang salik na nakaka-influensya po sa kapangyarihan nito. Economic opportunities. Economic opportunity refers to the outlook for upward social mobility and impacts opportunities for health. Employment is a key factor in economic opportunity and is often the main source of income that provides a family with food, childcare, educational opportunity, and medical care.
Economic competitiveness. In economics, competition is a scenario where different economic firms are in contention to obtain goods that are limited by verifying the elements of the marketing mix: price, product, promotion, and place. Ang competitiveness daw po ay mapagkompetensya sa ekonomiya ng isang bansa kung gaano ito kahusay makapagbenta ng mga bagay sa iba't ibang bansa at lumikha ng mga trabaho. Ang isang mapagkompetensyang bansa po ay may mahusay na mga negosyo, mahusay na edukasyon at matalinong mga patakaran ng pamahalaan. Organization that utilize centralized authority include governments, armies, and large corporations such as NGOs. In a centralized organization, the decision-making powers are retained at the company head office, and all other office and departments receive commands from the main office. Political influence. Powerful political hubs exert influence on their own countries as well as international affairs. Example, Jakarta, Indonesia, the main headquarters of Association of Southeast ASEAN Nation or ASEAN. Center of Higher Learning and Culture. Curious name of New York but spread across the world. Australian education. At Boston, Harvard University. Los Angeles Film Industry. Denmark Culinary Capital. Singapore Art and Cinemas. Thank you.